everybody, and welcome to another 180 Markets Weekly Wrap. And well, friends, FY25 has come to a close, and all the recent economic news was negative. But guess what? Despite that, and despite the uncertainty, markets at an all-time high. And Shaun, that just goes to show you, you have to follow what the markets are telling us, doesn't it?
That's right. And the market is usually a 6-month prediction on the economy. So hopefully everything will be feeling a lot better out there in 6 months as the market's predicting. Hopefully it's right. Now, a lot of action this week. Lithium stocks finally have come off their lows. Gold stocks are still very strong, and a lot of movers everywhere. A few exciting placements as well. Shall we take a look at the screen?
Let's do it.
And onto the 180 Markets platform we go. A very busy week. We started with AUZ, Australian Mines. Now, Greg, this is something that we led in Ignite Equity. We call it our big brother company. And Greg, tell everyone why we love Australian mines.
Well, we like the Scandium project, which is an industrial mineral for the longer term. But in the short term, Shaun, they just acquired a very exciting gold project in Brazil and will be doing 5,000 meters of drilling over the next number of months.
Exciting times. We raised money at 0.8 and each 2 shares came with 1 free option. Orking Mining, now they only went out for 680,000 and we heard they had demand of over 1.5 million. So awesome job there. They ended up taking over 2 tranches, 0.6, which was hardly any discount. There were quite a few options as well. So good to see Orking finally get some money in, being able to pay back the debt, and hopefully big things coming. Now, Trig Minerals has been an awesome performer. They raised money at 8.5, $12.5 million. The ASX did suspend them, but they have returned to trade and they're trading pretty strongly. So, hopefully continues onwards and up.
Yeah.
Blackstone Minerals, they raised money at 7.8. Finder Energy. Now, I remember taking an IPO 20 cents. I was promised a lot, and look where they're raising at now, Greg, 6.5 cents.
Wow.
Being one of those disappointing stocks. And speaking of disappointing stocks, Adderall, they just keep on going lower and lower. Now, this price of 2.1 cents is actually after consolidation. So they were trading at 0.1, went all the way down from couple of cents. Now they are raising and hoping that they can finally turn things around. But
that's
who
right.
knows? Live on the platform, quite a few raises. Yesterday, Antipa Minerals was extremely popular.
Yes.
I'm not really sure why. I don't really follow it, but I was sucked into bidding just because, we just heard how hot it was, and haven't got allocations yet, so a bit worried about that. Unit raised money, very low price for them. They were trading a lot higher. Greg, I know you followed this one.
Yes.
Tell us about this one and why they raised at such a low price.
Yeah, for them, unfortunately, the AI agents, that market is becoming very crowded, Shaun, with Google in the forefront right now. So Unit has to do something unique and different to make their value proposition an advantage.
That's right. Now, we're going to look at Argosy, AGY. So they're raising money today, 2.5 cents. Each share came with a 1 for 2 free attaching option. So they're going out to raise $2 million. Let's take a look here. Now, what's amazing about Argosy, AGY, is this chart. So let's just go to the 30-day chart. Like other lithium stocks, this one has gone nuts. They were trading as low as, we can see over here, 1.8 cents. Yesterday hitting 3.5, actually hitting 3.7, closing at 3.4. Raising money all the way over here. So, good luck to all those that have taken. Very risky, but high risk, high reward.
That's right.
Now, as we said, quite a few lithium stocks have been moving. We look at 3 here, or at least I do. Sayona, that's had a decent move this week. Moved from about 1.4 to 1.8 yesterday. Our CXO, they've had a bit of a move up. I've got the 30-day chart. Let's go to the 1 year. So
Yes.
we can see here just the last couple of days, all these lithium stocks have got volume back in. And yeah, LKE, another one that we follow, quick run up, still very low compared to where it's been. Greg, what do you reckon? Has it turned the corner?
Very early days, hard to tell. There'll be plenty of opportunities, Shaun, most likely on the buy and sell side of these companies.
Another raise we did recently in Ignite Equity was IXR, Ionic Rare Earth. That wasn't a traditional placement. It was through an LDUC. Now investors can convert those at 0.9, which is more than half the current price. So well done to all those that have taken, and well done to Greg Word for taking as well. Yeah, it's a rare earth stock. Greg,
yes. And Brett and Tim, a big shout out to you guys, both of you announcing a JV, you have a special technology, and obviously, Shaun, the market appreciates it.
That's right. The two P's moved again. PUR, Pursuit Minerals, they are another lithium stock. Take a look at that. Let's just go to the 30-day, massive move up. PUA as well, they did a strategic placement here at 3.5. Strategic placements are working very well at the moment. Greg, GBZ, I know you followed this one.
Yes.
Now, this has pretty much doubled since the placement. Why did that happen?
Shaun, this is what happens when you put a new exciting gold project into a portfolio and you have a management change that the market gets very excited about.
That's right. A little gold company here, and yeah, that's done amazing. Let's just look at BR1 finally.
That's it.
They raised money about 2 cents recently. Was it
1.9 cents with an attaching option, Shaun, and they just keep signing contract after contract.
You always did like this company. I couldn't work out why. Did you take in the placement?
I did take in the placement, and I'm still a shareholder.
Well done, Greg. You're doing better than me. Yeah. All right, that's a wrap. Have a great weekend, everyone. Greg, anything special planned?
I am home alone. The family is away on holiday.
Be a good boy, Greg, and hopefully you behave yourselves. Have a great weekend, everyone.